I shaved my nose hairs for this. Hi y'all. I've been waiting for a while to get an exhaust on this. And I've been waiting for Stealth to come up with an exhaust because I wanted a Stealth exhaust on a couple of my bikes already. I ended up getting rid of the bikes before I got a chance to get them. So yeah, I've been waiting for a while. But that day is here. I have the Stealth exhaust there, right there. See that? Stealth. Been waiting for a while. He's been working on it. Steve at Stealth Exhaust, and we're gonna do an unboxing right now and an install. I kind of pre-game this a little bit because my saddlebags are kind of in the way, so I had to take a few bolts out. And I wanted to make sure that I could get everything out. So I kind of pre-gamed it a little bit, but I'll show you. It's fairly simple. This is something most idiots can do, and well, I'm an idiot. So, all right, let's get this puppy open. All right, let's see. Well, there's something in here. We're gonna unpack this, and then I'll get everything out, and then I'll lay it out here on my workbench. Okay, first things first. Let's get a look at what's in this little bag here. All right, I'm guessing this is all the hardware you're gonna need. Oh, wow. I didn't expect that to be in there. That is, wow, that's beautiful. That is a beautiful flask. Wow, thank you, man. That's beautiful. All right, well, we're gonna put that up here. Wow, I can't see anything in here. Okay, that's hardware. All right, and let's see. And that's it. That's oh wow. So. And, all right, I'll read this. Pumped to get this out to you so people can hear the amazing snarl these Pan Ams make on the throttle. Hope you like it as much as I do, and look forward to hearing your experience with it. This is the only Stealth Pan Am pipe in existence other than the one I have on my bike, so that's pretty cool too. Use your existing passenger foot peg guard and mount for this, and feel free to put some high temp RTV on all the joints to eliminate any leaks. It may stink for 100 miles or so, but you're gravy after that. And be sure to wipe down the pipe with acetone or alcohol after the install to eliminate the chance of any oils on the pipe burning in while running. Any extra hardware, aluminum spacer, nuts and bolts aren't always necessary, but you have them if needed, and they're at your disposal. Your support of Stealth means everything, and I have extreme gratitude for riders that recognize the quality and handmade American manufacturing, and my family and I thank you for that. I'm here if you need anything. I threw some swag in there for you too. Stay safe, stay rad, and send some pictures of the bike if you get the chance. Stealth Steve. Stealth Steve. Awesome. That's the difference you get when you order something from a small manufacturer. And wow. So let's pull all these pipes out. All right. I already tore this open most of the way. Forgot to hit record, but it's just a pipe. All right. All right, and this was factory sealed, but I just tore it open when I was cutting into it. Okay, very nice. Very, very nice. Oh man, this is... Yes, Very, very nice. This over here. Now for the regular muffler, the one that's let's call it quieter. It's a little bit quieter. It's quite a bit quieter actually from what Steve at Stealth said, or Stealth Steve. Oh wow. So we're talking some packing tape. I'll have to get that cleaned off. But wow, that looks really great. Seriously, wow. I mean, the welds, they look just great. Yeah, I am going to have a ball with this. This is going to sound so good. I can tell already. Oh. All right, now this is called the street sweeper, but he said it was so loud that it woke. I think he said his neighbor's baby. So I'm going to refer to this from this point on as the baby waker. So let's get this puppy open. Oh, looks like I can kind of tear this one open. Oh, wow. Oh, that looks... Ooh. Let me see. Oh, God, that looks... It's going to go right there on the bike. Oh, man. And look at that. Oh, it's just beautiful. I'm partial to this one. This is the one that I wanted really bad. The street sweeper. I don't know why. I think it reminds me of like old school, like 80s, like sport bikes or something. Or like super bike, or I don't know, AMA sport bike racing. I couldn't tell you. I just remember pipes like this from being like a little kid and seeing pipes like this on like sport bikes and stuff. And man, it's just a beautiful pipe. I love this too. This kind of looks like 90s, like kind of like a 90s sport bike, maybe a more updated kind of sport bike one, but man, it looks great. Let's see. Oh yeah. So we're gonna go over and we're gonna start putting this on. Like I said, I did pre-game it a bit. As you can see, I had to pull the bolt out from my bag. I did loosen this bolt. If you have a Villain to Hero cage, those two will have to come out. This will have to be loosened. This one will have to come out so you can get to the bolt that holds on your muffler. Down here, this bolt going to the footrest, and this bolt down here, going to the same footrest. And I took off the springs to the. Some Pan Ams won't have this. I took off the springs to the center stand because, well, they were going to kind of be in the way, and this would be holding it up, and it would make it harder for me to move this around. I have enough room now to get a star bit in there and pull that bolt, because that bolt is holding in the exhaust. And yeah, you're gonna need to move this so you can get to that bolt and that clamp, and this should slide out. Right now this is not really held on by anything, and I'm gonna pull this bolt right here, this bolt right here, and this should come off. And yeah, there's a right behind here. Let's look. Yep, there is a clamp there you need to remove, and yeah, that should be it. Should just slide right off. All right, well, let's get to it. All right, now I had to loosen my skid plate for this, and yeah, had to do that. But I got the pipe on. It did take a little bit of let's call it maneuvering, let's call it grunt, let's call it a rubber mallet. Yeah, I had to use a rubber mallet on it. I got it on there. It is a very, very tight fit. I got this tightened down now. I'm gonna put on the Moto muffler first, and we'll see how that sounds. I'm gonna wheel it outside. I'm not gonna finish putting this together. I mean, you can see, you pretty much just put everything, you know, that's where the original muffler was, in that hole. You put it back in the same hole. This is pretty easy to figure out. You will have to kind of adjust this. You don't want to tighten anything down yet. This isn't like super tight, but it's tight-ish. So I needed to make sure it wasn't going to move while I was putting the muffler on. So All right, well, let's get it outside real quick, and we'll do the moto muffler first, and then we're gonna do the, we'll do the, the street sweeper, or what I'm calling the baby waker. Okay, now for the stealth moto muffler. Start up. Okay, that certainly has some growl to it compared to the original exhaust. Okay, now for the street sweeper, or the baby waker.